Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Football Critics. You're joined by the Nelson, and I'm here with my co-host and Tantlam team. Yeah, my boy. What a day of beautiful football. Yeah, Orlando Pirates against Polokwane City, Mamelodi Sundowns against Golden Arrows. Mangoba Mngithu was playing against his former side. What a day of beautiful football. I don't wanna lie to you. What a day of beautiful football, man. This is what we like to see. Two of the South African giants, battling, locking heads and saying, you know what, Mamelodi Sundowns saying, this is mine. Orlando Pirates saying, no, 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 it's my turn now. You've been taking it for years. At least let me have some glory. But Mamelodi Sundowns is saying no. Remember, with Mamelodi Sundowns, it's in their blood. Yeah, I understand that you date back to 15 or 16 years. It's theirs. That's what they know. Yeah, I understand. But I just wanted to break down the game Orlando Pirates. How did the game go about?
Um, yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. The Orlando Pirates game for me was frustrating because once again, um, I've seen the same problems that the Pirates has been facing throughout the whole season. Yes, the Orlando Pirates plays football. Yes, we can say with the Orlando Pirates probably plays the best football in the whole league. Yeah, well, this season. But the Orlando Pirates, dog, they're not ruthless enough as I want them to be. Because I always sit here and say Orlando Pirates is capable of beating our team with comfortable scores, Boma 3-4 nil every game. Yeah, well, but the Pirates is just they just create opportunities, they play good football, but they don't score enough goals to kill games. That is why I'm worried about because the goal difference is so minimal. Sometimes they share a goal difference, they won. Same points, just one goal difference. Yeah, well, and the Sundowns is able to score goals and punish our team. Yeah, well, today they won 2-1, but the reason why they won 2-1 is because they got a red card. Yeah, well, if they didn't get a red card, they were probably gonna win the game 3-0, 4-0. Yeah, well, when would the Pirates win a game that comfortable, play good football like they do, and win a game that comfortable? Yeah, well, because everything else they perfect. I thought Coach Wado read the game well. I thought Skim Saka was balanced for the game lesiyidlalayo in a small stadium, a rainy day at Polokwane, yabo. Starting player who are more technical, like starting Bonga Botiyongi, Abo Mahoba, Ozuna Polis, player that can play, those short passes. You didn't need to, be rapid on the day. Yabo.
Yeah.
And it worked. We played, that good football balance starting 11. But the thing I'm always concerned about scoring, punishing your opponent. Yeah, and we didn't do that enough. Because what we need, Polone say equalizer. Now we have to chase a late winner again. Yeah, well, so those are the worrying things I have for Orlando Pirates. But at the end of the day, I'm happy with we actually won the game. Yeah, well, um, but I just wish Pirates would just be more ruthless. I've always been crying for Leandro. Just be
Yeah.
more ruthless. Yeah, well, if Pirates are
Yeah.
more ruthless, we win the league. That's
Yes.
it.
Yes.
Yeah,
You
well,
know. You know.
so
You're raising a very good point when you are saying I think they need to be more ruthless. I think this has always been the issue this season, that you know what, um Orlando Pirates creates chances. You understand? Orlando Pirates is able to find itself in the final third of the opposition, but it's them not killing the chances just so they can kill the game. You understand that? Yes, they're playing good football. Yes, they're winning games. You understand that? But the matter at hand here is the goal difference. You understand? Because of by the look of things, it looks like it's going to be a title charge whereby you guys are going to be equal on points. It might just be decided by our goals. You understand? And on the other side, Mamelodi Sundowns punishes teams. Yeah, I understand. So with Orlando Pirates, they need to fix that. They need to, yes, they're winning games. Yes, they're playing the best football, but punish, because of you don't want us to get to the last day of the league, and then Mamelodi Sundowns is walking away with the league because of my points. Because I mean, not my points, because of my goals. Yeah, I understand. So if you fix that, Manje, we still have like 10 games to go. I understand. So if you fix that, you make sure that you punish. Come the last day of the league or the last games, you winning the league. Gosh, you understand? It won't be easy taking it from Mamelodi Sundowns, but at least make sure we fagili safety belt. What's the safety belt? You have enough goals. Because of with regards to AMA points, we can get to the last day or of the league. The point difference is like 1 or 2 between the two of you guys. You understand? But if you have that safety belt of goals, you're comfortable on my goals, then we can see what my point am. But you don't want to get to the last day of the league with equal points, but then showing a goal difference because of Sundowns is a goal scoring team. I looked at that game in Mamelodi Sundowns. uManqoba Mnisi bebamfaka esikolweni. I don't want to lie to you. uManqoba bamfaka esikolweni namhlanje. You could see ukuthi, you know what, if it wasn't for that red card, they were going to destroy Golden Arrows. They were going to destroy. I saw he was even forced to do a substitutions first half just before halftime. The way the Kushubenga con. Yeah, understand. So if it wasn't for that red card, Jaden Adams, they were going to destroy uManqoba Mnisi. And it shows you good they're hungry, they want goals. They know good if you get to the final third, you punish. You don't play beautiful football, get to the final third and fool us. You play beautiful football, you get to the final third, you punish. You show that you mean business. It's that simple. Because of at this point, Sundowns might just win the league because of goal difference. Imagine how painful that will be. After working so hard throughout the season, you know what? This year with this season, we finally beating Mamelodi Sundowns, but in Shanga goals. And I would in Shanga 5 goals, in Shanga 2 or 1 goal.
Yeah.
Just imagine that. So I feel like Orlando Pirates needs to fix that. And then with regards to Mamelodi Sundowns, man, as I've said, Mamelodi Sundowns was playing good. They were punishing uManqoba. You could see he was stressed. You know what? It's just a red card. It means abuye came in. Nalela penalty. But if it wasn't for that, Mamelodi Sundowns is winning comfortably. So. Yeah, I understand. Mamelodi Sundowns is winning comfortably. So it's exciting times. It's very exciting times to see Sundowns performing like this. Okay, they always perform like this season out, but it's exciting times to see Orlando Pirates also saying, you know what, we tried last season, but this season we're giving it a go again. Yeah, I understand how I wish Kaizer Chiefs was also part of the conversation, but that's a conversation for another day. Yeah, I understand, but it's exciting times. I'm glad that Orlando Pirates is doing what it's doing this season, and by the look of things, it's still March. No one wins the league March, but it's the same as EPL. I think Orlando Pirates might just take it this season. I think Orlando Pirates might just take it this season. Same thing in the APL. I know it's unrelated, but Arsenal, I think it might just take it. I've been saying this about those brainless City players. They've done it again today. They bottled the 2-0 win. But anyway, I think Orlando Pirates is taking it. I might be wrong, but by the look of things, yeah, I think Sundowns is going to be caught. It's exciting times. I don't want to lie to you. It's exciting times. We just have to see how it goes. Each and every game we're watching, we're looking at both of these teams and we're saying, let's see. Yeah, I understand both teams still have difficult games that they still need to play. And I just want us to talk Gahle, 5 games to go. 5 games to go, then we'll know which is which. My wish is for us to get to that 5 games to go. Equal points, goal difference. Like, let it be interesting. Yeah, I understand. Like, let it be interesting. 5 games to go, we're gonna be like, Orlando Pirates has taken it. I mean, it would be nice, but let's witness something. The last time we witnessed something like this was when Kaizer Chiefs gave it to Mamelodi Sundowns on the last day of the league. So yeah, let's just see how it goes, man. Let's just see how it goes. I don't know if you still want to add anything there.
Yeah, man. I mean, if you are neutral, obviously, you want the league to go to the last day. But um, I don't know, man. Angazi ukuthi, I'd say Orlando Pirates will win the league this time. Um, I don't want to sound like mungu or negative
Don't be
to to
scared.
to the Pirates viewers, but I don't know. I don't think. You know why? Here's my problem. I don't think we're at the same level as the Mamelodi Sundowns, if I'm being brutally honest.
But you guys are
Because
performing. You guys are performing. You
wait,
guys are winning games.
yes,
What's there not to be to
yes, but Bugala, one, we lost our most crucial game, our most pressure game of the season to the team that is fighting now elite. We're level, we're on the same points as Bond. And any the reason why we are in this position, if we're being totally honest, is because Tina this season we had the privilege with the well, it's a coincidental privilege with the Sasha Saba knocked out of the CAF. Yeah, so we had time to focus on the league. Yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns is always in CAF and always fighting for a league, but still salingana now. What if asiphumanga kwi-CAF? What if we are still fighting i-CAF? You think ngabe we are level on points with the Sundowns? I don't think so. Ngabe sisemuva kunabo. Yabo. That is why ngithi we are not at the same level as Mamelodi Sundowns. And the worrying thing ukuthi you know Mamelodi Sundowns, you and I know Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi yabo njengoba kusele 11 games, Mamelodi Sundowns is capable of winning wonke lawo ma-game lawo, and it will not surprise anyone. Ayekho ozoba surprised. Yabo. But will you say nge-chest yakho yonke ukuthi Orlando Pirates will win those 11 games out of 11? You see the points I'm raising.
Yeah,
So
to you know.
so
Okay,
ingakho
carry on.
ngithi I don't know. Ukuthi I don't think we are at the same level of um just le nto lesiyenzayo man this season, this thing of chasing i-league, yabo. Just nje being consistent, scoring amagoli amaningi, just nje that thing,
Yeah,
yabo.
you know,
Ngisa-skeptical ngalokho.
you're raising a very good point. And I get where you're coming from, Mauti Air. Remember Sundowns. You guys are out of a curve, and you guys should have been ahead. You guys shouldn't have lost it at Mamelodi Sundowns game. But here's how I want to put it, and here's why I don't want to discredit Orlando Pirates in any way. I hear what you're saying. But at the back of my mind, I still have that thing. It's okay. Mamelodi Sundowns still has curve. Yeah, I understand. And looking at Orlando Pirates, you guys haven't lost like many games. Yeah, I understand. It's a thing. Mamelodi Sundowns is just there. Hence, you're not that confident. Yeah, I understand. And you're not that confident because of we know which Mamelodi Sundowns will never lose games. Yeah, I understand. But you just have to be clear with the fact that at least you're going neck and neck with the Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, I understand. Yes, you guys are supposed to be ahead. Yes, you guys were not supposed to have lost that game, but you still have you still haven't lost anything. Yeah, I understand. You still haven't lost anything. You're doing what's right. You're doing what Mamelodi Sundowns normally does. You're not losing games. You're winning games. You're not scoring as much as you want, but you're walking away with 3 points. It's not ama problems it's not ama problems akungathi mhlawumbe afana nawe-Kaizer Chiefs whereby you winning games but you can see ukuthi hey akuthembisi. With Orlando Pirates it's promising. We can see where you guys are going. Yeah, I understand. So yes, from a neutral point of view, I have to say this. But again, I think with you as an Orlando Pirates fan, I think you don't have to. I know pressure is there, but you don't have to push so much pressure on yourself. You don't have to be so skeptical about it. because of you guys are doing exactly what you guys are supposed to be doing. You're winning games and not losing games. At the end of each and every game, you're walking away with 3 points. It's just that Sundowns ile monster and we know what they won't back down. Hence, you're not that confident. I understand, but give yourself some credit. I understand. Say it with your chest that we might just win the league because of you doing what you're supposed to be doing. You win games. You're walking away with 3 points. You're not losing games. But that elephant in the room is still there. With Sundowns will forever be there. But just have that thing. They have a curve. They have a curve. You guys just need to hope ukuthi abaphumi labantu kwi-curve they go up until maybe the final so that at least bazoba distracted because of chances are that's when they might just drop more points mhlambe leaguini. You understand? Just hope ukuthi bafocus ngale kakhulu just so bapayize ngayi. Hence I'm saying mina Orlando Pirates is taking it. Like I've seen the script, it's written in the stars. It's the most obvious script. But I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying, my boy. I don't know if you still want to add anything.
I lose of it. So on.
It's fine. Let's see each other. Let's see each other on the next one. Let's see each other on the next one. It's your boy the Nelson, man. Yes, from a Kosi fan. Kubuhlungu, but because of I love football, I love seeing what I'm seeing right now. Yeah, I understand. Kubuhlungu ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs is not part of the conversation. Kaizer Chiefs is doing whatever it is, but because of I love football, I love what I'm seeing right now. But and we just need to be glad with at least man, Betway Premiership is not so obvious this season. Yeah, I understand. It's not so Banigeni League. It's like let's see where it's going. Yeah, I understand that. So that's all that that's all that I had for you guys today. I don't know if you still want to add anything.
I see value of it. I see value of it. Guys, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. We talk and breed football here all the time. Your boy Sansa Tragbunim Dima. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Hola.